All right, here we go. We're going to do the TUF 17.3, the FX706 Li. That's the model number. We're going to do the RAM upgrade. We got our RAM right here. See if you can see this Ripsaw. It's a 32 gig upgrade. And we got a hard drive upgrade. We got a SSD 980. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive from Samsung. And we're going to put that in the TUF 17.3 Asus and upgrade the RAM and the hard drive capacity. And it's one of the simple, easy upgrades for this particular laptop. So you can see I got my screwdriver and I got a little spooger and a little thing to unplug the battery. So that's it. I'm going to get to work and I'll make another video for the second part.